Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a festive holiday and New Year's glam look. I can't wait to share and show. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Now I have a part 2 for this part 1 video, and it is a wash day with Rizos curls. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. Now for this video, I am going to be jumping into the Lisa Frank palette from Morphe. I'm so excited. This has so many beautiful and colorful shadows in it. And to start off, I'm going to get these curls secured back and out of the way. The first shade that I'm applying very sloppily on my lid is Princess Pearls. Then I'm going to work the shade Playtime Kittens into my crease a little bit and keep building, and then I intensified it with Balloon Buddies. Then with the NYX jumbo pencil, I put that about 2/3 of my eyelid. Then with the beautiful gold shimmer Casey and Camus, I put that on the right over the jumbo pencil. Then I used two greens. I used the Zoomer and Zorbit, and then Peekaboo, the shimmer shadow. Then I just blended out both edges with clean brushes, and moving on to the other eye, and they should look somewhat like this. Now for liner, I kept things really super easy. So with some liquid eyeliner, I just kept that liner very nice and tiny. You can go as bold as you want with it. Then for the lower lash line, I picked up that shade again, the Balloon Buddies, and worked that on, and then I put a little bit of the green on the outside and the yellow on the inside. Off camera, I got some mascara and lashes. Then I felt like the lower lash line here needed to be a little more bold and intense, so then I added some of Max Splash there just to make it a little more intensified, and I loved how it turned out. Then on the inner corner there, I used Rory, and then some mascara on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go off camera, catch up my curls. Again, if you guys want to check out that video, hit the link down below. Then after I did some setting mist, I'm gonna do some highlight and my lipstick. Once I hit all the important places, including sexy time, the Cupid's bow, it is now time to get the liquid lipstick on. So this is from Kat Von D, one of my favorite shades. This is Outlaw, so I'm going to put that on real quick. Once I applied the liquid lipstick, I wanted a little more extra pop, so I put on some highlight from Ofra. So this is a Ofra highlight that I just dabbed on the middle of my lip and then blot my lips together. And then it was time to get even more festive with my outfit and a little more fluff in those curls. And we are ready for some more holiday parties and maybe a little ring in the new year. So this is the completed look. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me and checking out today's part 1 holiday glam makeup video. Don't forget to check out part 2 so you can see how I achieve these pop-in holiday curls. So all of my makeup lovers and curl friends, I hope to see you next week for another video. Take care and stay merry.
Saん、俺たちずっと怖く